foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today I am sharing this healthy, quick and easy granola bar and granola breakfast recipe. You can enjoy this granola anytime during the day, but it's just perfect for the breakfast. You can top it up on your cooked oats, or you can also add it as a cereal. And the bars, you can just take it as a lunch in a lunchbox or enjoy this during the day. So let's get started with the recipe. Alright, let's get started. I have a baking tray and I have the parchment paper, applied some coconut oil on top. I have oven preheating for 325 Fahrenheit. So let's get going. This is 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of puffed rice. You can use Rice Krispies as well. 1/3 cup of honey and 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You can use any oil like canola oil or any oil of your choice. I like coconut oil flavor. Let's add pinch of salt, and we have pure vanilla extract. Let's add 1 cup of puffed rice. This is optional, but I like that. Let's add chocolate chips, salt to taste, just for that salty flavor. Let's add honey. You can use any sweetener, but honey is the more healthier choice, so I'm adding honey. You can use maple syrup or any organic blue agave. You can use brown sugar, coconut sugar, and any kind of sweetener. And let's add coconut oil. Time to add vanilla extract, just for beautiful flavor. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Let's give that a good mix. It's looking super gorgeous. If you do not want to make as a granola bar, you can just make granolas. Just spread it on a baking tray. This mixture can be used as a granola or granola bar. So simply spread as a baking on a baking tray and bake it for about 20 minutes. But if you want to make it in a bar style, then we need to add it in the baking pan. So if you think there's some more sweetener needed, you can add that. So definitely taste it before you bake it. So this looks ready to me. I'm going to add it in the pan and get baking. Alright, so my oven is preheated for 325 Fahrenheit. Let's pour this mixture. And spread it nicely and evenly. You don't have to make granola bar, but you can like just cube them in a square pieces and eat it as a snack. It's a perfect, excellent source of fiber and no sugar added. So perfect breakfast recipe, gets you the good energy for the day. You can use it as a snack as well during the day if you feel low energy. Alright, so this is all set. I'm just going to use my hands and press it. Alright, so this looks good to me. It's going in the oven for about 20 minutes or until it turns golden brown and gets it a little crispier. Sitting in the oven on 325 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Alright, so after 25 minutes of baking, I kept this as is just to cool this off, and once it's completely cool off, you are going to cut it. So this is how it gets cut. Let me show you. It'll be hard, but this is the only way we can do it. And all the crumbles, you can use it as a granola on topping as a cereal, or if you make oats, the cooked oats, then you can do that. So as you can see, this is our granola piece or bite. And didn't you see how quick and easy this was? There is no sugar added and very healthy recipe. Enjoy this fiber-rich recipe and do try it at home. Share your feedback, and of course, if you like this recipe, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. If you're already my subscriber, thank you for supporting my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.